This case is the ultimate protector of your Galaxy Z Fold 7. But it does more than just protect it. Let's go. The SUP case UB Pro for the Galaxy Z Fold 7 protects your investment from the outside and all the way in. It's incredible all-round protection, including a very satisfying hinge protector as well. But a case shouldn't just protect your phone, it should add to the functionality of it. When this case arrived to me, it came in a very neatly packaged distributed box. So as we're unboxing it, let's go through some of the protection capabilities that this thing has. It has a 360-degree military-grade protection with a dual-layered design with air cushion corners for impact resistance. Nice. You can see the air cushion and the dual-layer design when you actually look at the case. It's kind of got this nice soft cushion on the inside of it, which helps protect it from the inside and the outside. With all this cushioning, it has passed 20-foot drop tests with the hinge fully protected and covered for extra shock absorption. And I like the fact that it's a flat hinge, and that kind of helps when you open it, it expands out to cover it still, and then when you close it, it sort of continues to cover it. It's also got a front piece covering the display. With most other cases, that front display is actually exposed. But with this one, it actually has a screen protector, tempered glass screen protector, I should say, built right in. It's a 0.33 millimeter tempered glass, and it actually has 95% plus light transmittance. And there is a slight difference between viewing the screen with this on and viewing with it off. You'll actually see a bit more light in with it off. So kind of has some anti-reflectiveness about it as well. And if you've used a Fold 7, because of its thinner nature, you'll know it's a bit of a slippery beast, especially to open. But with the extra grips around the side here and the grippy texture that it's got, definitely makes it easier to open, but also easier just to hold it in general because it gives you that grip. Okay, all that technical stuff is out of the way. Let's get to the fun stuff. What functionality does this case actually add to your Fold 7? First thing first is that the actual camera bump gets leveled out because of the fact that, one, it's got the camera protection around here, but because you've got the hinge protection as well, when it's sitting flush on a table, there's absolutely no wobble. Without a case, the Fold 7 just is a wobble machine. You can see in some of these clips here, using it on a table, flat, trying to respond to messages, nightmare. This eliminates that problem entirely. Easily, as you're sitting down on a table with the phone next to you while you're working, you can type out your social media posts, you can respond to your messages, and it's just much easier to type because you're not having to deal with that wobble. It's completely level. As I sort of already alluded to, the grip that this case provides just means that you're not necessarily worried about dropping it, especially when unfolding. It's a problem with the Fold 7 that because of the thin sides, you don't have a lot to hold on to. But the grippy texture here means that you're grabbing onto a bit more and you feel secure in unfolding it. But, grip and wobble, they're all niceties. The main and best part of this case is the fact that it has a kickstand. The kickstand allows you to use the Fold as it's intended. And I say that because obviously Flex Mode is part of the Fold feature set and it's intended to be used with Flex Mode, but you've got this big giant 8-inch inner display. You want to use that. You want to take advantage of that. And don't get me wrong, I love Flex Mode. I use it all the time. But the fact is, when you have a kickstand and you can take advantage of that screen, it's perfect. The angle that this gives makes viewing content an amazing experience. Especially when it's sitting next to you at a desk, it sort of props up at a really nice angle, viewing back at you, so you can look down and see what you're looking at without needing to sort of strain your neck or sort of look down like that. It's sort of at a nice angle to view. But there's a second angle that this creates as well, because if you turn it around the other way, it sort of lies a bit flatter, which means it actually can enhance your productivity. So you can sort of type on the split keyboard, have the top half of the screen for the content you're typing and the bottom half of the keyboard. And because it's got this kickstand, it creates this sturdy, almost laptop-like experience. I wouldn't say it's exactly the same, but at least you get that access for that extra productivity, and the case sort of provides that. And because I said it's sturdy, You're not having to be worried about it toppling over or rocking side to side because it just maintains its position. Something else I really appreciated about this is a lot of pockets haven't really caught up to folds yet. As much as Samsung have sort of slimmed the fold down, you still effectively have two halves of a phone stuck together. So when it's in a pocket, and if it's leaning out of that pocket, there's a chance it could drop. Thank you, Rosina. So having a case with this level of protection, with the shorts sort of with smaller pockets, this is great because if it does fall out and hit the ground, the case has got that dual layer of protection to protect your investment because obviously it's a pricey phone. And it does so much, the Fold 7. It's a phone, it's a tablet, and at times with Samsung DeX, it's a desktop PC. So the fact that this does so much, one, you want to increase that protection to make sure that your investment can continue to do those things. But two, you want to increase what it can do. And this kickstand just gives you that extra bit of functionality to make sure that you get the most out of it. So the UB Pro from Supcase is a perfect addition to your Fold 7. You can check it out in the link in the description. Thank you to Supcase for sending this out and sponsoring this video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. You.